Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let's see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened near 4,760s. We expected crude oil to stay in buying. We had a very big gap opening. So right after the opening, the price took support near 4,750 and reached the first target. Then came down and tested 754 many times, and it went up till 4,820 and closed near 4,793. Things went according to our plan. Today it's expected to open somewhere near 4,840. So based on IMX price direction, we predict the price opening. Again today it's expected to move and hit the next target of 4,896. The only thing is we need to decide on the stop loss. Till 4,760, till the average yesterday's low, you can buy and place stop loss near 4,750, expecting that the price can move up. If the price is coming below 750, then we will put a pause for our trading, because we know that we had made enough profit in this particular contract. So let's see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.